Ryan Desautels in the lead. Steven Herrera behind him. Then you got Dan Vance. Whoa, we are green, green, green. Well, looks like a good final leader here for the start of this race. Desautels going to the outside line there. Vance going to stick to the inside line. Herrera takes the outside. Well, it looks like it's a soft ride for these guys, but I'll tell you, they're taking a lot of punishment going through there, especially some of the larger trucks. Our leader's coming down the front straightaway right now. Ryan Desautels, Steven Herrera, Dan Vance. Right behind Dan in fourth is going to be Dan Chimley, Marquis Polito. Augustine Dallas. Looks like our second place truck having problems. Herrera out of turn number 2, lost power there. So that's going to put Dan Vance into second and bring up our fourth place moves to third. And that would be Dan Chimley.
That's fine. On a clinic.
Yeah, buddy. Vance gets the white flag. Chimley gets the white flag himself. That's the top 3 as they come by. Fourth place as he makes his appearance. That would be Brant Valentina, Marquis Polito, Steve Polito. Jeff Musgrave. They were regular in the series, running for points. Great to see all the guys out here, though.
There it is.
Well, there it is.
Yeah, buddy.
The Team Associated Checker Flag.
Yeah.
Desautels.
Yeah.